Hi everyone and welcome back to Good Brothers. It's a Tuesday afternoon. I've got Ladislav here on the cameras and he has been giving me a little bit of jip about how much I tend to rattle on in these films. Apparently 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes is ideal. So with that in mind, today we are launching our 2.5 minute Tuesday. 2.5 minutes of me talking to you about the wines I am drinking at the moment and why I think you should try them as well. Without any further ado, let's get started. Two and a half minutes on the clock. Here we go. The first wine that I have been drinking a lot of recently is this little beauty here. This is the Alemanya Blanco from Rueda in Spain. It is a blend of Verdejo and Malvasia. It is super expressive, loads of skin contact, about 3 weeks of skin contact. So it's got grippiness. It's perfect for this time of year. We're filming in January at the moment, so it's got a lovely sort of warmingness to it. It's not a cool, fresh, crisp. It's got richness and texture. Absolutely brilliant. Love it. That is the La Osa y la Alemanya Blanco from Spain. Next up is one of my favourites families in wine, the Trimbach family. Jean and Julien, personal friends of mine. This is their Pinot Gris, 2016 Pinot Gris. Pinot Gris is, in my opinion, the greatest of the white Pinot family. It's got lovely spiciness, a little bit of oiliness, richness. It's just delicious. This on a Sunday with sort of roast lamb, bit of pork, fat into that pork and the apple, fantastic. That is a 2016 Trimbach Pinot Gris. Brilliant. Moving into reds, because let's face it, as I said, it is January. It is freezing cold outside. We want something red and rich and warming to keep us going through this time. Two ends of the spectrum of the same grape variety. Starting, we have the Domaine Ysus Petite Sera from the south of France, from Languedoc. One of the finds of the year for me so far. I know it's only January, but this is actually finds of last year. This is texturally fantastic, lovely and grippy, got that lovely silky tannins, got some dark plums and cherries coming through there. For the money, $11.95 a bottle, that is an absolute bargain. Probably one of the best wines bang for buck on my shelves at the moment. Then, jumping up to the other end, we have the L'Eau de la Vie Minervois from Angro and Jean-Paul Tolo. So this is big Syrah Grenache Mourvedre. It's absolutely blockbusting in size. Massively textural, grippy tannins, so fine. It's amazing. It's pricey at £27, but my goodness, a bottle of that with friends over Sunday lunch when we can finally have them, you will never be disappointed. Look at that. Time's up. These are the four wines that which I am drinking at the moment, which I absolutely love. We'll have more for you next Tuesday in our 2.5 minute Tuesdays. Until then, remember, drink better wine. Okay. So until next time, remember, drink better wine.
And that's a wrap. Amazing. See, that's what I'm talking about.
You're right.
Nailed it.